Hi guys, so for today's nail art design what I've done is painted 4 of my nails in this sort of beige tone, and the pointer finger, as you can see, is in this bronze shimmer shade. So we are leaving the middle finger as is, it's just going to be plain. And as you can see on the pinky and the ring finger, I'm using this different shade of sort of beige, like really light beige colour, and we're going to start making the leopard print. Because this is just one of these miniature bottles, the brush is actually a really good size just to use it straight from the bottle to start creating the shapes. So moving on to the ring finger, we're still going to do leopard print again, but as you can see in this thumb here, we're using the same polished colour that's on our pointer finger to create the leopard spots. So as you can see, I've completed the leopard print on the 2 fingers there. We're going to do the same on the ring finger, and for that I just use a black striper, and you want to partially surround the leopard print splodges that you've done.